Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the Darmave electric foot callus remover, a product that's been gaining popularity online. But the big question is it actually worth your money, or is it just another scammy gadget? Let's start with the features. This device has a plug-in design, which means you don't have to worry about charging it or replacing batteries. It uses a full copper motor that promises strong performance, and the 360-degree rotation helps reach those tough spots on your feet. You also get adjustable speeds, which is great for dealing with different types of calluses safely. Plus, it comes with 60 sanding pads, making it hygienic and convenient, especially if you're sharing it with family members. Now, one thing in its favor is that it's sold across multiple platforms: Amazon, other reputable online stores, and its own website. That kind of availability usually signals a legitimate product. On Amazon, it holds a 4.4-star rating, which is a good sign. Many users mention that it works well, softens their feet effectively, and even helped people with severe foot issues like calluses from surgery or winter boots. Some users even called it the best foot tool they've owned. However, not all reviews are positive. A few customers complained that it arrived used, that it felt slow even on the highest speed, or that it stopped working just after the return window closed. Some were unhappy with the lack of variety in sanding pads and the overall build quality. One person even said wires were exposed after only 2 uses, which is definitely concerning. Another thing to keep in mind: the official website has no contact info, no social media presence, and no Trustpilot reviews. While that doesn't make it a scam, it's not very reassuring if you have an issue and need customer support. That said, the majority of reviews, both on Amazon and Reddit, are positive. So, in my opinion, the Darmave callus remover isn't a scam. It might not work for everyone, but it does seem to deliver for most users. Just make sure you buy it from a reputable platform like Amazon so you're protected in case something goes wrong. Let me know if you've tried it and what your experience was like. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews.